This morning I was walking towards the office and the key ring was making a lot of noise, ching, ching, ching. Finally I thought, hey man, react. I put it into my pocket and the noise stopped. This is something kind of funny, but it's true, and that reminded me the verse that we find in James, where it says, if you know what's good and you do not do it, that counts you as a sin. Okay, I'm not here to make you feel guilty. But I'm here to tell you, the Bible is right, not only in theology, but also in daily life. If there is something wrong in your life that you do not like it, what are you waiting for? Do something, change it. Otherwise, that will count you as a sin, to say you will suffer the consequences. So, man, react. What are you going to do today? Identify some things that you do not like in your life and change them.